What's going on, guys? It's Taylor with LeSueur Car Company. Today we're going to be checking out the park assist or the self-parking on this Volkswagen Atlas. This is the SEL premium trim, so you're going to have this extra button to the right. This will be your parking assist button. So what we're going to do is tap this. It'll give you a little bit of a visual over here on the right. So we're going to parallel park in between this Mazda right here and this Lexus up front. So what it's going to do after you put it in drive is it's going to sense your right side. It does have 4 cameras on the exterior of the vehicle. Kind of take it slow to let it sense. So you see it's caught that first car on the right. It says to keep going forward. And you'll see as we pass this second car, it'll sense it there. And after you pass the front of the car, it'll give you an arrow to move back. So in the beginning, you're gonna have control of the gas, the brakes, but after you throw it into reverse here, pull up your backup camera, it says auto steering active, check surround area. So at this point, you're not gonna really have control of your steering, obviously, because it's gonna do its steering assist. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna idle it. You can see in the backup camera, it's gonna steer for you. You still kind of want to be cautious of the brakes here. So now what you're going to do, once you get close enough, throw it into drive. It'll finish up the steering process. And there you go. Park assist ended. Please take over steering.